I'm going to be soldering my Lunar Moth. This is the moon. The pale yellow pieces is the moon in the background. I have frost in the actual background. Then I have a moon back here, the yellow. Here's the wing. Here's the moth's body. Here's the moth's body. And this is a part of the wing. It's prickly, but it's not gonna hurt the glass. I mean, individually they could probably stab you, but as it's like a rough scratch. It's not gonna hurt the glass. It's just gonna get any contaminants out of the way of the joint that I'm wanting to solder. The intersections. Every joint. I'm gonna apply the flux and let's get going. I think I'll do the corners first. I just got it tacked basically. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do these sides too. There we go. Feels like I get a bit of a bigger blob up here, but I'll do that when I do the top, and I'll do the sides next. Flux now. Actually, just get rid of these because their corners are tacked. And that's enough to hold it from breaking apart. So now I can comfortably do all my pieces that are connecting to that side. I'm just getting a little bit of solder, just a dab off, and I need a little bit more, and just placing it down. Just a quick touch. And it's fusing in with that lead. You don't want to burn through your lead, so you can't leave it sit there that long because the lead will evaporate and you'll have a big hole there. I haven't done it, but other artists say that it will just burn a hole in it. Okay, here we go. Do the inside panel joints. It goes rather fast once you get to the solder part. Or at least it is for me. Okay. Hopefully I don't blow it out, because that was a big spot. Bigger than I anticipated. Okay. I must have missed that one. See how it didn't stick or sizzle? And I accidentally missed one on the side panel too. Here. I got it. There we go. Okay. That's nice. Okay. I think I got, oh, I missed one right there. Did you see it before me? And one that, and them. I don't know how I did that. I guess I just got tunnel vision there for a second. Trying to rush. Just slow down and take your time. You don't have to rush. Because obviously I'm trying to rush. I'm friggin' forgetting little pieces. Get that a little better. There we go. Now, did I get all the pieces? Hopefully I did. It's not that big of a panel to see, but yeah. Not too hot. Don't feel crazy. Flip it over. And now I'll do this side. I'm going to do the sides too so I can make sure that they're closed up good and tight. And when I get to that part. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the outside lines like I did before. The ones that touch the panel. I'm just fluxing, then setting it down gently on the area. I feel like I might need a little more there. Okay. Okay. There we go. Looks good. And maybe a baby dab there, but see how it's heating up, being weird. It's doing that little blowout thing. I don't know why it's doing that. Like a bubble up. I'll check down here first. Just add a little bit here. Right? And on this side. Yeah. And now up here, I want it to grab well. So I want to fill in that space around the hanger. If you can see it, there's a little bit of space there. I'm gonna put a little solder right in there, just to make sure that the hanger is secure. It looks good there. A little dab there. Now this side. Flux. There you go. And a little on this side, I guess. Make sure it's down in there good. There we go. There we go. Let's see if I like that. It looks like two little antennas or something. One looks a little higher than the other, I think. Oh, tell me that's going to be the one thing that's not too bad, though. I mean, really. Just getting nitpicky if you gotta stop being so nitpicky. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go clean it so we can get a real good view of it. Let's scan over it. Got them there, there, there. Yeah. There, there. Pair, I accidentally missed one and I didn't. Okay. I'm gonna go clean it up, wash it up really good, and call it a night.